Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use VidIQ to get more views on your YouTube channel. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now of course, if you haven't got VidIQ yet, all you have to do is scroll down till you see the first link in the description or for the first link in the comment section below. Once you click on that, it will redirect you to this page where step 1 is to sign up with your Google account that is attached to your YouTube channel for absolutely for free on this website. Now that you're signed up, you'll be redirected to this page where this is going to be your dashboard, and from here we can get some tools and tips to help us get more views. First one we can check is to find trending videos. This will show us all the top videos that are now trending with low search base and high demand. So for example, from here we can see that those are the videos that are getting 6.9 or 78 or 68 times the views in the single amount of period of time, so you can get the inspiration from here. So for example, this one is saying about the Samsung S9 5C OLED. So we're going to go back here and then we're going to find trending keywords. So we're going to search for Samsung TV and then we're going to search for it. Now as you can see, the competition is high, and so there are 24 million people or 24,000 people that are searching about this subject every single month. What we can do is go to the related keywords right here. And as you can see, there are lower scores when it's connected to other keywords and also matching terms, where here we can find the global dimming Samsung TV, for example. And so if we click on that, you'll see that the competition is medium. So this is better and easier for us to make videos about that will get more views. So what you can do is simply search for this on YouTube itself. And as you can see right here, there are a few videos, but then after that, there are no exact videos about this entire issue when you scroll much down. So there we go. Now we have a video topic that has a high search base and low search demand, so we can make videos about it. And also because when you notice that all the videos are kind of old, everyone needs new videos, especially when this one is 8 years old. So now you have a good topic to make a video about. But how do we get the right SEO and the keywords for it? Well, we go back here, and then from here you can go home, and then go optimize, and then SEO. Now from here, once you subscribe to the boost, which is going to cost you 7 days of free trial for free when you use our link in description, it will give you the right tools to put the exact SEOs that you will need for VidIQ. And that's all. That's pretty much it. And if you want any more video ideas, then you can click on here and it will connect to your channel, get the data from it, and then suggest for you good idea videos. So from here, it's telling me that the best idea for my own channel is why Nintendo Switch fans are eagerly waiting for Mario Kart World. This is a topic that is highly debatable right now. It's hot, and so it predicts that it's going to get a lot of views. And so there are topics that we can search, and you can test with it, and you can unlock more features, of course, once you subscribe to the full feature. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.